Time for Arby's before we go to the car and motorcycle show, right, Charlie? Locked away, Charlie? Did you get full? Did you get full? What are you gonna do now? Guys ready to go?
Yes!
Maybe on the way back we'll go see for real.
We need a GoPro, so instead of me holding us looking at the road here.
Where are we going?
Bye-bye. There they go. I gotta walk backwards to do this. Waldo Flea Market here. Waldo's in the back now. Look around.
Oh no, I won't. Now they know. Next time I go over there, please tell me like, hey, where are you? You have 1,000.
Watch for cars. All right, go. Whoa, you're gonna get run over, JJ. Whee. Don't touch, just walk around and look.
Look at them pretty.
Look at them.
That's beautiful.
Charlie, don't touch. Unless they give you permission to touch them, you don't touch them. Look at these other ones here. Antique mall here. Cool furniture there.
Where's that chair? Show me where's the chair.
What train? Oh, he's coming.
Oh my goodness, this is highest. Yep. I really don't like this.
Alright. You don't like being up this high?
Let's go down.
Mama couldn't get upstairs because of no elevator.
Oh.
Alright, don't touch anything.
This one I can.
Got there. Hess trucks.
Oh, wait a second. I wanted those from Grammy, but I want them from
Here.
Surprise Box.
Kind of like Christmassy stuff, I guess.
And that one too.
Alright, y'all done looking at the second story?
Wait, not yet. We still want to look at that stuff. Oh, that
It is hectic.
box.
Is that the North Pole?
Yeah.
Where Santa lives?
I see a kid.
Stairs now? That's a long set of steps, isn't it?
Yeah. Where's Mom?
Smaller.
How did you done this?
That's some artsy stuff here. Oh, that's
How did you
neat.
get here?
Yard art. Huh?
Is it blown glass?
Buddha and elephants and all kinds of stuff. That's neat. Got that dragonfly on your wall. Or all these birds. No, it's a station wagon. That's something like we would have had. Need to get you in the video here. These look cool.
Yeah,
Beautiful. How do you like that orange?
yeah, but we cannot find that either.
Plymouth Roadrunner. Is this your favorite so far, Natalie?
Yes.
Charlie, don't touch. Don't touch. Yeah, you like that one? This is Jonathan's favorite. Jonathan, look at the camera. Jonathan. Chevy here. Very pretty.
No, Jerry, you could not check it out.
Buick.
We're gonna do a skeleton.
There you go. We got it on video so you can see it.
Skeleton.
You like it?
Is it a man that died?
Yeah.
Did you know that most quarters have a heads and tails? But did you know that magic quarters only have a heads and heads? And they're fun to play with. Put one here, and it'll be behind that ear. You show it to everybody, and it'll be behind that ear. Or I can grab it and pull it from behind that ear. But if you do run across one with a tails and a tails, they are counterfeit and aren't any good. You know why? They don't have a heads.
Rip Willie.
Look at that. What does it look like? Mud.
Waldo Farmers and Flea.
Oh, what is that?
So, I am not a car expert. It just says Ford, so somebody probably knows. Fixing to get run over, Charlie. It says it's a Ford Custom.
The skeleton.
Hey. It's another Ford, 1950.
Skeleton truck.
We got some video. This is Natalie's favorite so far. Is this your favorite thing, Charlie? We're about ready to go, right? Did you have fun?
Yes,
Take a last look here. Yep, it's like Papa. There they go.
Oh, I love that.
Right there, I guess it's not even in the show. An old Ford Custom. All right, so we had a nice little day out here. All right, did you have fun? She really enjoyed that Harley and that Roadrunner, right? The Roadrunner, yeah. And now
El Camino was nice.
the El Camino. Yep. So
My dad had an El Camino, I think you're very nice.
So I think that's about it for today. Hopefully we'll get better at shooting these videos, but we'll see. We need a whole crew to do all this to make it look good, right?
Yeah, we do.
All right, take care.
Thanks, guys.
And
Like and subscribe to this video.
Like this video?
Like this video and subscribe to Mama's channel. Like this
Bye, guys.
Bye guys. Mama's channel.
Bye.
Bye.